All right, guys, here's a preview of the last dumpster dive that is going to be coming up. What is that you see? Oh, yes, Bath and Body Works, baby. And a freaking cot.